Okay, so this is the final wrap up of the project. We have a simple entertainment center, and it's if we look at it in isometric, you can see there's just two pieces of electronics, and we've solid modeled, we've extruded from the top and the side. So on this one, we're going to actually need all three views. We're going to need a front, top, and right. So the first thing that we're going to do to capture this stuff is the flat shots. So we'll look at the front, and we'll type flat shot, all one word, enter. We pick create. Click your mouse on the screen and hit enter 3 times fast. And there's the front. Look at it from the right side. Again, flat shot. Enter. Say create and enter. Or click your mouse and then enter. It'll place it down. And then we want to look at it from the top. And we'll do another flat shot. And we'll pick create, click it, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you have to actually gather those flat shots together and put them all in the top view. This one's sweet, it's already done. Put it over here. We'll eventually have to put these on the grid. Go to the front. There's our flat shot we captured. Control X using the keyboard. Go to the top, Control V, and paste it. It'll go somewhere. We'll go look for it later. That's the front and the top view of that so far. We'll go ahead and pick the right side, Control X, and go to the top, Control V, and we'll paste them. So there are the three views. We'll go ahead and orient them. I'll go M for move. Turn on OSnap. Might be good to turn it to 2D. You're drawing in 2D now. I'll turn this, it is on everything. This is going to travel together until we move it, or explode it rather. And I'll turn on O tracking, and I'll just track this out just a little bit. And I'll pick M for move, and I'll grab this, say, from here, and I'll come here and I'll track it out just by a little bit. Okay. Now there's no guarantee these are on the grid, so let's go ahead and pick M for move. Grab a hold of it, turn on snap right after that, and it's absolutely going to have to land on the grid, at least the front view is. Now what you can do is, to get these a predictable amount apart, you can actually draw a line a certain distance, a set distance. So you could draw a line, say, let's go, I have ortho on. What might be nice would be, say, 24 inches. And let's put the other view also 24 inches away from it, 2, 4. Alright, so I can move, M for move, and we're unable to get on that corner. Let me turn off snap and just put it right there. And I'll go M for move, and I'll grab this. We kind of have to put this one out of the way and then move it one more time. And we'll go ahead and move this 24 inches away. We probably will have to draw a line like that and move this down, because that's the furthest point. So there we go. They are 24 inches apart from one another, and we're kind of set up for doing what we need to do. You would pick explode over here on the right, explode all these, take all the lines, and then put them on the object layer for the time being. Get rid of your electronics. We don't want that in the 2D view, where we're going to detail the entertainment center itself. So getting in here and getting rid of the stuff can be a little tricky. And of course, our side view of this one is actually a little tricky in itself. I've got a lot going on over here. We'll simplify that a little bit. So there's your first setup for the 2D work, and then we just have to move on to the joints here. Part 1 is finished.